Hello, Nikita. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What's about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. So, Nikita, this is your first mock interview, and we, as the ultimate coders, inviting you for your first mock interview. So, let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you just brief me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Shinde Nikita Balaji. I have completed my graduation in BSc from SRTMU in Nanded, um, and I'm from Udgir. That's it, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me about your strengths and weaknesses?
Yes, sir. I'm very emotional, sir. My weakness is I'm very emotional, uh, and my strength is sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language, um, uh, which is used to create a web page.
Okay. And what is the difference between HTML4 and HTML5 or previous versions of HTML?
Yes, sir. HTML 5 has a simple doc type declaration, and HTML 4 has a very complicated doc type declaration. Um, uh, HTML in HTML 5 there are many semantic tags like header, footer, audio, video, and in HTML, and that's it, sir.
Okay, is there more differences? Okay, fine. So, what is the difference between element and HTML tag? HTML element and HTML tag.
HTML tag is open and close with uh, angular bracket, and what content in between HTML tag is an HTML element.
No.
HTML tags are open and close with angular brackets, and the content in between uh, starting tag and closing tag is HTML element.
Okay, I think you have to search for this answer after the interview. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, why we use head tag?
We use head tag for give the in head tag. Then in head tag information is for browser.
Okay, and what is the use of meta tag? Why it is used?
Meta tags. Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, what is mean by the doc type? Why we use that exclamatory doc type?
It is used to show browser which doc type declaration we have used.
Can you tell me one more time?
It is used to declare which doc type declaration, which version we have used.
Yes. Okay. Okay. What is an attribute?
Attributes means it gives some meta information of an HTML element to the browser.
Examples of attribute.
Mhm. Attribute style attribute, alt uh, uh, alt src, a title, target.
Okay.
That's
Why we use target attribute?
um, uh, target attribute to redirect one page from another page.
Eh, and if I want to be on same page, what is the default value of target attribute?
Self
Self or underscore self?
underscore self. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. Which tag we use for like a link, like you said, for opening in a new tab? Which tag we use?
A link tag, sir.
Link tag or anchor tag?
What's your question, sir? I can't understand.
As you said, we use target attribute, correct? To
Yes.
open a new page in a new window. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So where do you use that target attribute? On which tag?
Anchor tag, sir.
Anchor tag. Okay.
Yes.
That was my question. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is CSS?
CSS used to becomes our web page is creative.
Okay. What is the abbreviation or full form of CSS?
CS cascading style sheet.
Cascading style sheet. Okay. Okay. So what is the difference between a block level element and a inline element?
Um, inline elements occupies width of its content, border and padding. Block level element contains 100% width. Um, inline uh, inline element uh, starts elements starts on same line. Block level element starts on new line. uh, we give uh, uh, yeah, we use margin and uh, margin and border to block level element, and we give and inline element we use um, margin four side, and uh, paragraph heading anchor tag are the uh, block level elements, and um, that's it.
Okay. Is anchor tag is a block level element?
Sorry, sir. Inline, it is inline element.
Can you tell me the examples of block level elements?
Block level elements. Span,
No. Block level element.
Block level elements. Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. So what are the new tags that are introduced in HTML5?
Header, footer, audio, video.
Yes. Okay. What is float?
Float is uh, uh, to align and text to left or right.
Okay. And what is the difference between float and text align center?
Text align center is uh, uh, text gives to move to center, and float is mm, text moves left side or right side.
Okay. And do you know how many positions are there in CSS?
Yes, sir. There are four types of position: statics, sticky, relative, and absolute.
What is the difference between position relative and position absolute?
Position relative is gives to the parent, and position absolute gives to the child.
Relative gives to the parent, absolute gives to the child. Okay.
Yes.
But this is not the difference now. What is the difference when we use on some due position relative and for some due position absolute? What will happen? What is the difference?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So in how many ways we can apply CSS to HTML element?
Uh, three ways.
Okay.
Inline CSS, internal or embedded CSS, or external CSS, and external CSS.
Yes. Okay. So can you show me the difference between position absolute and position relative with example?
Yes.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay, so tell me what you did.
First,
No, no, tell me on Chrome that you would use. Okay.
there,
Ha.
there is a uh, uh, I I I I take a section and in section I create a one div and give the class give it a class main and then
Don't tell me whole code. So what is happening here? For which box is position relative and for which box it is position absolute? Just tell me that.
box one position is Seconds.
So, what is the difference between position relative and position absolute? That you have to tell me with the example, correct? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
explain me what what is the difference by using this diagram or these two divs you took.
Due means a box first is move from box second.
Okay, okay, and for that you have given position absolute, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for box one, if you use position relative, what happens?
Uh, uh, Box is moves from its body.
Its body means
Its parents by default position of uh, and box is mm, means-
okay, fine. Okay, so you can stop your screen.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So what is JavaScript?
Um, uh, it is a lightweight object oriented interpreted language used
Okay.
in a script tag.
Okay. And how, how many data types are there in
Uh, there are
JavaScript?
there are two data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Mm, pre, Primitive data types holds value and non-primitive data types holds reference. Primitive data types are string, number, boolean, undefined, um, uh, undefined, and non-primitive data types are uh, object, array, and function. That's it, sir.
Okay. And what is uh what is a string?
Strength,
String.
string.
Yes.
Mm, String. It contain text.
Okay. What is hoisting?
Hosting is the um, uh, uh, value gets shifted at the top of the declaration gets shifted at the top of the scope.
What is scope?
uh, Scope. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So do you know what is coercion?
Yes, sir. uh, Coercion means conversion of one data type into another.
Okay. What will be the output of string data type plus number data type?
String data type plus number. mm, a string.
String. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is a first class function?
It's class function. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Nikita, we are done with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So bye.
Yes, sir.